Hello, welcome to Locklen's lab. Today I'm Locklen Beatty. Today we're talking about tornadoes. Tornadoes are a rapidly rotating column of air and it touches from the sky and turns into a twister and then it walks down all the way into the land. It's called a tornado if it touches the land. And if it touches the water, it turns into a water spout. We need one empty bottle and one full one. One connector and one for food coloring. My dad put food coloring in it and always ask a grown-up for help with this experiment. First, we need this cap and just like this. Put it on like this. And that makes a tornado tube. Now that we've built our tornado, now we can show us the tornado. It's coming down like a real tornado. Now that we have done this tornado, now we have to do the next tornado. So we'll put this away right here. It's a glass of water with food coloring in it. My dad it's blue, and my dad put that in it. And we always meet a frother and ask a grown-up for help if you want this. Now I'll have to show you. You put it into the water and do this. And that makes a grown-up of a tornado. Now I'll show you looks like before it happened. Looks like a hurricane below like this. It looks like this. It looks like a tornado touching down. Like this, it looks like even better. This is what the eye of the storm looks like before it happens, like this. See how the eye opens? See how it looks like this, but now it looks more like familiar from the top? Next, we're going to go out to Ambrose to see the tornado siren right next to it. And this is our tornado siren at St. Ambrose. And this is a real siren. It's right next to this water tower, and it's happening today. It's going to sound super loudly like this. And it's going to warn the whole city. So you guys take shelter and be safe. Hello, I'm wearing my headphones on because I'm right next to the siren and it's going to be loud. That's the sound. I hope you learned a lot about tornadoes. Thanks for coming to my science experiment. Bye-bye.